Time to show you some of this morning's headlines. The Wall Street Journal looks at the Supreme Court's ruling on the EPA's authority. The agency can require greenhouse gas controls at power plants and other large facilities, but the court criticized the EPA for regulating carbon emissions from smaller sources like schools, apartment buildings, and shopping centers.
The New York Times looks at a new bridge scandal that could be linked to New Jersey Governor Chris Christie. Christie's administration allegedly pressed the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey to pay for nearly $2 billion in repairs at the Pulaski Skyway, a major commuter crossing. The money was diverted from another project. Well, now the SEC and the Manhattan District Attorney are looking into possible securities law violations by the Christie administration.
The Huffington Post says parents should not be surprised if their next visit to the pediatrician includes a prescription for reading aloud. Today, the American Academy of Pediatrics issues its first ever statement on literacy promotion. It urges doctors to tell the parents just how critical reading aloud is to their children's development.
The Washington Post says a Sudanese woman sentenced to death for abandoning the Islamic faith is free. An appeals court overturned Miriam Ibrahim's sentence yesterday. She was sentenced under religious law after she married a Christian man. He happens to hold U.S. citizenship. The case drew international attention. She spent 7 months in prison.